Thursday. Hey friends, it's Coach Sarah with Array of Hope Health. I am so excited to have you here cooking with us today. We have Lily.
Hello.
Doing a Lily takeover. I'm so excited for her to share her peanut butter delight cookies with you guys. This is her own recipe creation. It is fantastic. So if you are catching the replay, be sure to hit hashtag cookies for us so we know that you saw this video. And if you're joining us live, say hello, good morning. Where are you coming from today? Are you guys ready for Easter? Can you believe Easter is Sunday? If you guys need help prepping for Easter, this Saturday I'm doing a 2-hour prep just for Easter. So if you're interested in that, I put all the details in the description. Would love to have you join me on Saturday so you can get all your prep out of the way. Okay, so this recipe is amazing and it's so easy, you guys. So I hope you guys all go make this right after, and I think you should have all the ingredients. And I did link the recipe for you guys in the description. So I'm gonna let Lily take over. But what can they do if they're watching from YouTube?
They can like, subscribe, and
Oh, she forgot already.
like.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot.
Yes, if you're joining us from YouTube, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. All right, guys, let's get started. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'm going to pass it off to Lily. Let's see who's joining us, too. I'm going to peek over here.
Okay.
Good morning, Bonnie. Bonnie's here. Oh, you know what? Do you mind if I just check over here real quick? You can talk.
Okay.
They can still see you.
Well, yeah. The first thing you will add is the cup of gentle sweet into your. Oh wait, no, I don't want to. You want to start off by preparing your oven at 375.
Make sure you talk really loud for them, okay?
Yeah, I know.
All right.
And then next I'll add a cup of gentle sweet.
Oh, Patty's watching from the beach. Good morning, Heather. She's here from Virginia. Good morning, Robin. Oh,
I know.
that was a big cloud. Good morning, Natalie. Okay, I'll come back, then you can see yourself. All right.
Okay. One.
You tell me if you need anything.
I forgot to do this before.
That's okay. You can tell me what you're doing. What are you doing?
I'm melting the a half a cup of Kerrygold salted butter.
This is the best butter. So if you guys can get this butter specifically, it is fantastic. And it is salted. So this recipe specifically calls for salted butter. We did try it without and it wasn't near as good. So just throwing that out there.
Yeah. That was great.
It doesn't take that long. What are you guys doing for Easter? Do you guys have plans? Are you going somewhere or are you hosting? And if you're hosting, are you making all term healthy mama stuff? Good morning, Jerry. Good to see you here. All right. Oh, Cece's here. Hey, girl.
Hey, Cece.
She loves cookies. Well, I think you're going to know where to find some. All right, ready?
Now,
okay.
Now I'm going to add the half a cup of butter. We're just going to add all the ingredients. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of butter. Not butter. Baking blend. Baking blend. Then I'm going to add the peanut butter.
How much peanut butter?
Oh. Half a cup. Then you're just going to blend it.
good? Or need
Yeah.
more?
Nope, that's good.
Okay.
Oh wait, I forgot something.
What'd you forget?
The salt.
Oh. Do you want me to grab it? You got it?
I'm gonna add.
Yeah, talk really loud.
I'm gonna add 2 pinches of salt.
Good job.
That I forgot.
Good job. Yes, this is salted butter, and she did add 2 extra pinches of salt. There's something magical about it. Don't ask us. We've tried it without, and it's just better with. So just do it. Just trust us.
And you won't really taste the salt, though the sweetener cancels it out. So then you'll just make like.
Oh, here, let's move this over here so they can see.
Okay, so then you'll make little balls like this size ish.
They're like 1 inch. They're like 1 inch.
Doesn't really matter what's in there.
But we're using our Epicure Silicone Liner. We use these all the time.
Yeah, all the
We
time.
have multiple of them because they're just super, super helpful. So if you can get your hands on some, I did put a link in the description for you guys if you're interested in those. They're very, very helpful.
Then I just kind of make a 4 row on the top, and then 6 row on this side. And it makes 24. It can make extra if it just matters how much you put in the cookie. Like if it's like this, you'll have, if you make everyone like this, you're gonna have just the same decent amount, the right amount. Or if you do it like this size for all of them, you will have extra.
That's good. Do you want to just show them how to mash them down? You don't have to make all 24 live. I know they would love that, but you don't need to.
Doesn't take that long. Okay, then you will grab a fork and just
Do you want me to hold it up? Here, I'll hold it up for you.
then you'll just go like that crossways for all of them. It doesn't take that long though.
I recommend not adding sugar on top or gentle sweet.
Otherwise, it's way too sweet.
Yeah, these are absolutely the perfect sweetness. So if you add some to the top, you're going to send us hate letters. So please don't do that because I don't want you to go, that's too sweet. They are like exactly perfect, just like this. So don't add anything else.
Then you'll do that for the rest of them when you're done.
Don't those look fantastic? I'm passing you guys some. Well, they're raw. Who eats raw cookie dough? Who is going to confess?
I do.
Raise your hand if you would eat this raw. Do not lie. Okay, so what do they do?
You would really want
Then what do
to
they
eat
do
this
with
raw.
this?
You will put that in the oven for 10 minutes. Or
10 minutes.
8 through 10, it matters, whatever.
Okay.
Oven
Which
you-
one? 8 or 10?
Well, ours is 10, but don't put it in there.
Okay, 375, 10 minutes. And she's done it a bajillion times, so I trust that 8, excuse me, now you got me saying 8. 375 for 10 minutes. 375. Okay. Do you want to show them this? Because then you can tell, is this hot?
No, I don't think so. Ish.
It's okay.
It's alright.
Okay, so this is a what not to do. We love to show you what not to do. So she tried to cook all of them on one because this batch made a little bit more than 24, right?
Yeah.
And so don't do that. Like only put the 24 on a pan. Otherwise, they're going to all be stuck together like this.
Like, if you put them like this, it will end up messing like that. It will end up messing up how they're supposed to spread out.
Yeah.
So.
So also, if you let them completely cool off,
Which I would
then
recommend doing that.
you can pick them up. If you try to eat one right away while it's hot, they're just they'll fall apart.
Yeah, they're.
But you can go through, I mean, these are still separated because of the way she did them. So they're just all pulling off.
Yeah, cause,
And they are so good. You guys, you're going to be addicted to a new cookie. And it's easy. I love easy. Oops. We're dropping cookies. Our dog would like to be right here right now. Don't those look fantastic?
Because of the baking soda and baking powder, it makes them grow in size. So that's why I would recommend not putting extra than 24.
Okay, that's it. How easy is that, you guys? That's it. Then you can store them on the counter. We've been putting them in like Ziploc bags. Let me show you. This is a Christmas bag. Don't judge me, you guys. It's a Christmas bag. But you can put them in little bags to go. You can bring them to your Easter gathering. You have something to put in your purse. So, and if you want them to keep really, really long, then I would say you can either freeze them or you can throw them in the fridge. So either one, but we've had these sitting out on the counter and they're totally fine. So just to give you guys some options. All right. She's gonna finish those. Let's see, a couple friends. PB cookie cake. I would go for a peanut butter cookie cake. That also sounds delicious. Okay, let's see. Did I miss any questions? Never tried the silicone pan liners from any company. Want to? Yes. Yep. If you don't have silicone, you can definitely use parchment, Cindy. I know. I was using so much parchment paper though that this has been the best investment because I use these all the time, especially if you guys love baking, which I know you guys do because you're here. And I don't know if this is going to let me see your comments. I don't like when it, oh, I can't. I'm going to have to come back and comment. I saw some of your guys's, let's see. I can't see who you are. Lynette, you can't wait to try them. Yes, let us know if you try them. And give Lily a high five for her awesome recipe. Let's see. You love peanut butter cookies. Yay! I can't see your name. I'll come back. I'll come back and look.
I think I only made this recipe because I love peanut butter cookies.
Yeah. We love peanut butter here. Okay, let's see. You're going somewhere. Mostly THM food. That's good. You're going to make the mini coconut cupcakes. Oh, that sounds delicious. I love all things. You guys, if you want to make a bunny cake, you got to sign up for my class for Saturday because we're going to make a big bunny cake. It's so fun. And you guys can bring that to Easter and you can wow all your guests and they'll be like, wow, it's so cute. All right. Okay. Well, we love you guys. We hope you have an awesome, awesome day. Happy Easter. Be sure if you're watching from YouTube, what can they do?
To like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
So you don't miss any new videos.
Oh,
we all said that at the same time. All right, guys. Have a fabulous day. We will see you guys again next week. All right. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.